So we're having a little bit of fun today. Every time we get together, the girls always like to make some funny faces when we're taking family photographs. I got them involved with making a trailer for the channel. So thanks for tuning in today, and hope you enjoy the little bit of laughs that we had together. Thanks. Welcome to Bob's Woodshop. Okay? 3, 2, Carly, take your mask off.
Oh.
Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Bob's Woodshop! Oh my God.
3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Bob's Woodshop!
That sucked. That was like really
right,
awesome.
do it again,
Let's do it.
do it again.
No, let's do it.
I can edit it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Carly, mask.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Bob's Woodshop!
Okay, that's enough. Okay.